Hello, welcome again dito sa aking Mommas Kitchen Grabby. What we're going to have today is Ensaladang Lato, which is ensaladang seaweeds. I have already prepared these seaweeds for you. We're just going to soak it in hot water, and then after a few seconds, you're going to soak it again to warm or cold water to avoid cooking of the seaweeds. Let's start. Here are some of its ingredients: tomato, seaweeds, and then onion, ginger, mango, half ripe. For seasoning, I have already mixed 1 lemon extract added with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. To prepare, it's so simple. Mix them all together. Make sure you wash your hands before preparing the food. Lemon and fish sauce extract together with the onion. And then the tomatoes. Okay, mix them all together. Slice this mango. Okay, ready to serve. 1 serving of ensaladang lato, and then you can have it for breakfast or lunch with some fried fish. A very healthy meal. We usually serve it with some salted egg and a coffee. Ready for breakfast. If you like our video, subscribe to my channel and like. Bye!